6 apps to earn $100 per day with minimal effort. Thanks to technology and the internet, various apps help people earn money online. If you are not a Medium member, click here to access the complete article. Intro. Are you ready to discover the secrets of effortless income generation? In this article, I unveil 6 apps that can help you earn $100 a day with minimal effort. Whether you're a busy professional or someone seeking to make extra cash in your spare time, these apps offer a simple yet effective path to financial success. Let's explore how you can turn your smartphone into a source of income with ease. 1. FOP. Have you come across the popular app known as FOP? It offers an opportunity to generate income by selling your photos online. Simply upload your images to the FOP platform, and if your photos catch their eye, you can commence earning money. By selling 20 photos within a day through the app, you could earn over $100. FOP compensates you with payouts ranging from $5 to $10 for each photo sold. To enhance your prospects of selling photos, consider submitting high-quality and distinctive pictures that appeal to potential buyers. 2. Dosh. Dosh is a unique app that rewards you with cashback when you shop. You can receive up to 10% of your purchase amount back when shopping at select stores. What's more, if you refer Dosh to your friends, you can earn money as well. By inviting 20 friends to join Dosh, you could potentially make $100 in a day, with a $5 reward for each friend who signs up. 3. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is an online platform that connects people in need of assistance with individuals capable of completing various tasks. If you excel at activities like cleaning, handiwork, or office tasks, you can register and earn money through TaskRabbit. The app compensates you for each task you successfully complete, with pay rates varying. By finishing 4/5 tasks, you can earn approximately $100 in a day. To enhance your task opportunities, it's essential to maintain a strong profile and receive positive reviews. 4. Upwork. Upwork functions as an online job marketplace where both businesses and individuals connect with freelancers skilled in diverse areas such as writing, web design, and computer-related tasks. If you possess expertise in any of these domains, you can register on Upwork and begin applying for freelance work. Upwork compensates you for each project you complete, although your earnings are contingent upon the nature of the task. Some assignments can potentially earn you $100 a day if you accomplish 1 or 2 of them. To maximize your income, it's advisable to maintain a robust profile, garner positive client reviews, and seek jobs aligned with your skills. With Upwork, you can construct a professional portfolio, earn income, and acquire knowledge across various fields. 5. Rakuten. Picture a rewards program called Rakuten. It's akin to receiving a bonus for your online shopping endeavors. By using the Rakuten app for purchases at specific stores, you can receive cashback of up to 40% of your total expenditure. Moreover, if you introduce your friends to Rakuten and they sign up, you can earn additional money. For every 4 friends you refer, you could make $100, equating to $25 for each recommended friend. Thus, with Rakuten, you can shop online, earn money, and enjoy savings on your purchases. 6. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is an exciting app that enables you to accumulate points effortlessly by engaging in activities such as surveys, video watching, gaming, and online shopping. Furthermore, when you make purchases through the app at specific stores, you also receive cashback. By completing a sufficient number of tasks and accumulating a significant number of points, it's conceivable to earn $100 in a day. This presents an excellent opportunity to transform your daily activities into additional income during your leisure time. Thank you for